Here we have a couple military surplus rifles. Both of these are models that were in service during World War II. The first here is a Swiss K31. The interesting thing about these is that they're straight pull bolt action. Basically, the only thing you do to work these is press the bolt forward, pull it straight back. No turning up and back. They also never saw combat, as the Swiss were neutral throughout World War II. This one would have never seen it anyway, since it was made in 1955. One of the very last batches of these ever made. Everything matches. And unfortunately there was no card identifying the soldier it may have been issued to under the butt plate. The next one is a Mosin-Nagant 9130. It was made in 1932 at the Izhevsk Arsenal in Russia. As you can see, it's a hex receiver, and yes, those are those ugly import markings. It came with the bayonet, and other than the bayonet and the magazine floor plate here, everything is matching. It has the sling and all the accessories, even though I don't have them here. The K31, by the way, also has the original leather sling. So these are my military surplus rifles. I'm hoping to eventually expand my collection, but this is all I have for now. Thanks for watching.